Sandy is a golden retriever. She has a thick, beautiful coat. It needs a lot of care. Every 6 weeks, Sandy goes to the pet salon. She is a big dog, so it is not cheap. We always walk to the salon together. It takes about 20 minutes. Sandy walks fast at the start, but after a while, she slows down. By the time we arrive, she is a little tired. A tired Sandy is a calm Sandy, but the moment she smells the salon, everything changes. She knows this place. She starts running and pulling on her lead. Her nose goes everywhere. She looks like she's in a panic. The staff come out to say hello. They take her lead from us. We tell them what we want: a full bath, a trim, and her nails done. Then it is time to say goodbye. Sandy does not want to stay. She pulls hard toward the door. She wants to leave with us. A staff member holds the lead and pulls back. It is not easy. Sandy is a big dog. It is very funny to watch, but we have to leave. If we stay, Sandy will not cooperate with the groomers. She will just watch us the whole time. So we say goodbye and walk out. Sandy watches us leave through the window. We find a cafe nearby and wait. We have a coffee. About 2 hours later, we come back. Before we go inside, we stop at the window first. We can see Sandy inside getting the final touches. Her coat is already looking amazing. We go inside quietly. We stand near the entrance and wait. We do not say her name yet. A few minutes later, a staff member brings her out. Sandy looks wonderful. Her coat is soft and full. She smells so good. Her tail is wagging fast. She is very happy to see us. We pay at the counter. The staff gives us her report card. Sandy was a good girl today. They also give us a printed photo. This time it has a cherry blossom setting because it is spring. Sandy walks home with a lot of energy. She smells like a flower. People look at her on the street. But when we get home, she goes straight to her bed. She is asleep in minutes. We sit down too. The house smells nice. We all needed that rest.